Let's build your main page. In the left panel, click New Home. A pop-up will appear. From the pop-up, choose Blank Page, then click here to build a new blank page. Click the Type Contents Here area to design your first section, also called the Hero section, the very first thing visitors see. Sections start from number 0. You'll see the section number appear in the center when you click an empty area. Now, let's add a banner image to your Hero section. Click the 3 dots next to the section number. Click Upload Image under Background Image. Upload an image and it will be placed as the section background. Click the background and press Enter to increase the image height as much as you like. To make it smaller, press Backspace. If the background feels too bright or you want a filter effect, pick a background color and adjust the opacity to get the right mood. Next, let's add headline text on top of the banner. Type Beyond Sound and hit Enter. Then type Creating New Value Through Sound on the next line. Drag to highlight Beyond Sound to open the typography editor. Change the style from Paragraph to Heading 2 to make it bigger and click B to make it bold. Click the A icon to change the text color, choose from the fixed palette, or click the rainbow color picker to choose any color you like. You can even enter exact RGB values for precision. Do the same for the second line. Drag to highlight it and change the color as you like. Press Enter under Creating New Value Through Sound and you'll see a plus icon. Click the plus to open the element menu, then choose Button to add a Call to Action button. Drag to highlight the button text, delete it, and type Learn More. Highlight the button text again to change its color in the typography editor. Click the button you added to select it. A 3-dot menu appears on the right. Click it to open the settings panel for that element. From the button menu, you can align the button left, center, or right. Change colors, width, and fill style. Adjust the shape. Set links, external, internal, or to a specific section. Add a shadow or delete the button. Let's style the button now. Change the button color to white. Adjust the shape to match your design. Align it to the left. Your main page Hero banner is now ready. Finally, in the top bar, switch Hidden to Deploy so your changes go live on your site.